All right, example 3 for 1-8. If y is an even number, write an expression to represent the sum of the next two consecutive even integers. Woof, a lot of vocab there. So, first couple of things we're looking at. Sum. Sum, we know, means addition. And again, if not, then you're looking that up, Googling it. You're Googling it up. Of the next two consecutive even integers. Okay, so consecutive. We talked about this in 7th grade if I had you in 7th grade. What does it mean? Well, actually, now this year, you only go to school for 2 consecutive days. What does that consecutive piece mean? Consecutive just simply meaning in a row. In a row, one after the other. An even number, those are your 2, 4, 6, 8, zeros, those kind of numbers. So 22, 24, anything that ends in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 is an even number. It's divisible by 2. And then your integers, that is from 1-1 vocab. You really want to have these integers memorized. Integers are positive or negative. So we'll just turn this into pos. Positive or negative whole numbers, including 0. No decimals, no fractions involved. Okay, so this is going to come up a lot this year. So here we go. So I'm starting with what they give me. They're giving me y to start with. And we know from what they tell us right in the problem that y is an even number. So pick an even number off the top of your head. Just pick an even number. I'm going to go with 2. Okay. Is 2 the answer to my question or this problem? No, 2 has nothing to do with my problem. I'm using 2 as an example. So write an expression to represent the sum of the next 2 consecutive even integers. So consecutive in a row. So if I'm starting with 2, what are the next 2 even numbers, even integers, even whole numbers after 2? Well, 2, 3, why am I not picking 3? 3 is not even. So 4. 4 is the next even number. And then after 4, not 5, but 6. So we need expressions, though. We want to use my variables. So if y is my first even number, if y is like my 2, what do I do to 2 to get to 4? What could I do to y to get to the next even integer? Well, from 2 to get to 4, I added 2. So the next consecutive even integer would be whatever y is plus 2. So then, how do I get from y all the way to 6? How do I get from 2 to 6? That would be plus 4. So my third expression would be y plus 4. Now, they wanted us to write an expression to represent the sum of the next 2. So let's make a note here that these are the next 2. These are the next 2 numbers. So the sum of them would look like y plus 2 plus y plus 4, which you could then simplify to 2y plus 6. Either of those would be an okay answer. It technically doesn't tell you it has to be in simplest form, so really either one of those answers would be acceptable.